Hello everyone. So for today we're gonna do this project. I got it from a Gayle Agostinelli video and I did it with copy paper actually. I didn't just do it with scrapbooking paper like she did, but I am gonna use scrapbooking paper for our bits here, so just a heads up. Now, I just took a paper plate and cut off the rim because I thought that would be easiest. Now I'm just gonna take a pen and draw around the circle. Now, I know my circles are not going to be perfect, but at least I try. Like, for some reason, I did not get this done right. Alright. Again, for me, it's just a simple piece, and you don't have to be perfect. So I'm going to be cutting my circles out first and drawing them and then cutting them out and everything else. And I'm going to keep the leftover scraps. Again, my circles are not going to be perfect. I fully admit it, because I'm not a perfectionist at all. But again, if you try your best with it, you don't have to be an extraordinary person at making these pieces. Again, not the most perfect circle, but good enough. And I'm going to cut these behind the scenes. So, again, you may not necessarily see the same thing over and over again, because I am going to be cutting these outside of doing this. Again, this is a fun, unique way to create some pockets for your journals. And then you can use all that leftover scrapbooking paper as a way to create tags and journaling cards and all that fun stuff. So we got 3 going here. Now I'm taking the time and choosing how I want it to look on both sides. Try to get it as straight as you can. It isn't going to be perfect. Then I decide where I'm going to place this part, and I just fold it up. Then all I do is cut these lines here. And take them and fold them over. Now, if you think your edge isn't necessarily the greatest, you can fix it like I just did. All right. Now with this one, I do want like a lighter color. I do not want the I want like that or Kitsch Flamingo, but right at the moment we'll just do that. I just think this will go well with some of the other pieces. Again, it don't have to be precise. If you want precision, again, I don't think doing journaling, well, I guess you can have a precise journal. Don't get me wrong. It's just a little bit different. So now I have my art glitter glue, and I'm just going to do a quick glue down. So I'm gluing this piece down first. Then I'm going to glue this piece down, or flap down, I should say. Then I'm going to take this part and glue the sides. And then I'm going to glue these pieces down into tucks. And again, I'm going to repeat this process 3 times, so it isn't necessarily like, oh my goodness, she's only doing it once. No, I'm doing it 3 times. I am going to add a little bit of glitter to these. I really like this glitter. So this is how I'm going to add a little pizzazz to this. I just love all the curves in this, so I kind of want to accentuate that part, and it makes this part really pretty too. Just adds a little bit of glitter, and this is ColourPop Snowflake, and I am loving this little piece here. Yeah, I've been enjoying using it in the past day or so. Alright, so now I want to do the same with this one. Do I want that to be the inside, or do I want it to be like, I think I'm going to do it this way. Maybe? No. I want it to be the inside. Okay. Again, if you want it to a perfection type setting you can. I am personally not. Actually, I think we are going to do it the opposite way. Oops. Because I think, no, that ain't going to look good. Okay. Okay, let's get to gluing right away, just because it's way easier to glue these down. And we're doing this portion. And this one is not going to be distressed, so this would be the best time to do this. And again, we're just gluing down our sides. And it's okay that this part is a little bit smaller due to it being a pocket within it, so not a problem. And again, I'm going to have a little bit of fun. I wonder if I want to use that color or a different one. I keep them all in here. So as I decide I want to use them, I can. I'm just thinking, would that copper or a silver be better? I think a silver would be better. So I'll take out my stickles too for the next one. This is what I like using. Again, if you don't have something like this, find something you do have. If you have, for example, something that creates dots, you can create dots across here. Again, you don't have to necessarily use the same thing I'm using. What got me addicted to stuff like this was watching Pam at the Paper Outpost. And then I saw that there was sales on stuff like these stickles and stuff like that on whatchamacallit. There was a sale on these at scrapbook.com, and I kind of went nuts. I'm like, yeah, I'm totally going to do that. Okay, gotta make sure I'm facing the correct way first. That's the biggest thing. I don't want to dig for my one thing, so I'm going to just my bone folder at the moment, so I'm just using my end of my scissors. I don't like how that... I don't like how thick this paper is. So I just took some of it off there. And then we'll glue it on. And I'm probably going to do the same here. Just create a little itty bitty crease here, just because I do not like how it was bending before. Then we'll get our sides here. And I'm gluing that there. And this piece here. There we go. Now, again, I don't really want silver or the clear, but I think this sandstone one would be nice across here. It's like a warm gold looking one. And I think this is way prettier than Distress ink on Christmas items. But again, you could distress instead of doing something like this, or you could even add washi tape to these ends. You could do whatever you can imagine, basically, to make it distinct, the different sizes. I personally like this the best. I mean, again, they have completely different looks. This one's distress, this one isn't, etc. Just by a change of different type of idea. I mean, this one's more distinct because of the white versus the red, where this one, it's kind of muted, so this makes the distinction between which layer is which by adding these lines in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great night, and also check out my stuff down in the description box. I mean, I do have a group. I do plan on eventually doing live videos on there, and I also have Anchor, which I just talk about different crafting stuff that I'm doing and etc. That's besides just journaling. Yeah, that, again, check out the description box below. I do have stuff that I am currently selling on Etsy that you guys have seen me make. So enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.